Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool I'm right here in my hand, and basically what this is a bath sponge or loofahs. So you can use this for like showering, which is pretty cool. And I actually fell in love with this product because it actually works so well. Like the moment I started using like these bath sponges or these loofahs, it saved me so much soap. Like literally all I need to do is just do one skirt of like the soap and put it onto the loofah and just start using it. It's more than enough for me to actually put all over my body. Whereas before I use the loofahs, I had to probably use like 3 or 4 different like skirts of the soap that I use to apply all over my body. But first thing first, I'm going to open it up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so we open it up on top right here. This is basically what it looks like inside there. So the one that we got right here is a pack of 4 of them, and they're all black. They do have some in different colors, I believe in like gray, white, and etc. But this is the one that we got right here. So I'm actually take it out to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so here's number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. And see right here, they actually have an option for you guys to hang on somewhere if you guys want to. So when you guys are done using the product itself, you guys can actually hang on somewhere. And when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels really nice. It definitely feels like a high quality loofah in general. So I definitely have to put some soap on here and then show you guys what is the result in terms of how much foam it actually produces. So you can see that they actually provide us 4 of these right here. So these are definitely super useful if you guys plan on using this for like showers or bath. However you guys decide to use it, that's up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let me actually go to the restroom and show you guys how to use it, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like right here. So let's give it a try and see how it works. So first thing I want to do is to get it wet a little bit first. Once it's all wet, then you guys actually put some soap on here. So I'll put a little bit of soap on here. Alright, so I just put that much and it should be enough already. So you can start to see that a lot of foam is starting to happen already from the soap. So when you guys are scrubbing yourself, you can go like this. Obviously, if you guys want to scrub all over your body for different body parts, you guys can definitely do that as well. You can see all the foam that creates on here, which is pretty awesome. Definitely a lot of foam, if you can see. Should last you guys for a while. But obviously, once you guys finish using it, you do want to clean it, so that way you can use it again next time. So let me turn on the water to show you guys how easy it is to clean it. So usually when I'm showering, I would use it to actually scrub myself while I'm cleaning, so that way it actually cleans a lot faster as well. See, almost all the foam is gone. Alright, so that should be good. There's no more foam inside right here, so it should be clean. So what you guys want to do now, once you guys finish washing it, is to hang it somewhere and let it air dry. So I'm actually bringing it over here to show you guys what I mean. Alright, so we got it right here. So I have a thing where I can hang it right here. So I just put it like that. Then I'm all set, and I can just leave it there and let it air dry until the next day when I use it again. So that's basically how you guys use the product itself. Pretty straightforward and very easy to use. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself, and definitely see that it actually does work and it works quite well. You guys can see the result instantly once you guys put the soap on here. You guys can see how much foam it actually produces. So this is actually really cool, so that way you guys don't have to waste as much soap. Because like I mentioned earlier, when I didn't have one of these loofahs and I start showering, I waste so much soap when I don't use a loofah because it's just not enough soap to put all over my body. But when you guys use one of these loofah, it produces so much foam or soap, so that way you don't have to waste so much soap when you guys shower. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself in terms of how to use the product itself. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for me, honestly, like I mentioned a few times already, I would definitely have to say that these loofahs or any kind of loofahs in general are super worth it to get if you guys want that better bath experience or shower experience and save a lot of soap. Then definitely getting any kind of loofahs in general are super worth it. I do highly recommend you guys getting like different colors, so if your family wants to use it as well, you guys have your own individual color and you guys don't mix it all up. If you guys are just planning to use it for yourself and you just want extra ones, then getting all black or the same color is completely fine. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.